Estas la marico. Like, literally, stop playing with me.
If you don't have access to mushrooms from a local farmer, you can find oyster mushrooms from your local Asian market. I did this video with mushrooms from my local Asian market near me, so you can see how easy it is. Clean your mushrooms off with a clean towel to get off any extra dirt, if any. Oyster mushrooms come in clusters and usually stick together from the root ends, which are going to be cut off considering that they're usually tough to chew. Then we're left with the meaty parts on top, but don't throw away the bottoms because they can be used for stalks and or thrown back into the soil for extra nutrients for your plants or for your grass. Repeat until all your mushrooms are done and place in a bowl. Once in a bowl, this is where we go to season our mushrooms, and you can also do this ahead of time and leave to marinate for as long as you'd like. If you're in a time crunch, you can always just season and use immediately. The full recipe is down below, as well as the seasonings that I used in my description. I love using fresh herbs in all of my cooking, so today I'm using fresh thyme and rosemary to help bring out the flavors of the mushroom. You can omit this if you do not have and just sub for dry. I like to use a cast iron skillet when cooking mushrooms because it helps to get a nice sear on the mushrooms themselves and heats up pretty quickly and evenly. If you don't have one, you can use a regular sauteing pan, but just make sure that it heats up evenly. Heat up your cast iron skillet to a medium heat and drop in some olive oil for sauteing. Drop in your mushrooms as flat as possible and continue to press down so that they can release any water that's left in them. You want them to get nice and crispy and then flip after a few minutes. Repeat this step until you've cooked all of your mushrooms. You know it's done when it has little to no water left. It's okay if some pieces burn because this will add to the char flavor that we're looking for into the pincho. Once completed, you can transfer it to a baking sheet to rest and then get your skewers and begin to poke the mushrooms through until the stick is covered in mushrooms. I wanted this to be more on the traditional side, so I heated up my grill and threw the pinchos on for about 10 minutes or so until they finished cooking. You hear that? Stop playing with it. It don't get more outside than this. I know the neighbors are sick of me, but like me no care. Oh my god, ma, this looks so good. Halfway through, I added my barbecue sauce of choice, and this adds flavor and the traditional smoky sweet flavor you look for in a pincho. Once finished, remove from the grill and plate as you liked. I plated mine with fresh cilantro on top and a squeeze of lime for added flavor and presentation. Now, let's take a look at how good these were with a taste test featuring my mom and her boyfriend who are not vegans and we're really excited to try. Okay guys, so my family who's not vegan is gonna try my pinchos and they're gonna tell me how they like it. We're gonna try it together though. What, do you guys want to share one?
Nope.
Wait, damn! Cheers!
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay.
No, man.
I'm not fucking girl. Damn! Damn!
My bad.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Rated out of 10.
10, 10, 10, 10. And I'm not vegan.
White shirts.
No good. 10.
Oh!
Wow.
I don't have a reflex.
Y'all heard it here. 10 out of 10.
Holy schmoly.
Wait, I gotta show them. Look at the texture. Meat where? Meat where?
One for Justin?
He gonna beat my ass if I don't save him one. Now try plantains and green beans. This is so good.
This is good.
Look at that. Look at that. What?
It's like a pincho, like a real pincho.
The char from the grill is what made it special, I think.
Good.
I know.
Wow, man, you get an A+.
Empty, clean.